Ta-da! 3 liters of milk, 250 ml of cream. Both of them you should buy in the fridge at the supermarket. 1 yogurt, that is 150 grams. And 20 minutes ago I've been in the countryside to take 5 drops of fix latex. We drop them directly in this half glass of drinkable water. Remember, not from the tap because there is chlorine inside. And plus we also take a branch with the leaves. But because this time I want to make a blue cheese in a fixed leaves, I will use also 30 grams of blue Stilton. You can use blue Danish, you can use strong Gorgonzola forte, any cheese that is a blue cheese, because we need to collect the malt from the cheese. And now I will put this malt with half liter of milk. Is always 3 liters in total, but half we can use it to melt our blue cheese. Now we add the fix latex that we collect inside, and again with this we mix everything very well. After we put the pot on the stove and we should reach 50 Celsius degree. We put the lid and we should wait 5 hours. This strange sound that you can hear, don't worry, is only the beer that is fermenting. So see you in 5 hours. After 5 hours, you can see the curd is ready. Now we will do some cut inside our curd. So you need a knife to reach the bottom of the pot, and after we should wait 10 minutes. This will help the whey to go out from the curd. Waiting these 10 minutes, I can show you that I prepared already a colander like this with a cotton material. You can use a kitchen towel or some piece of cotton like this. After we will put the curd inside and the whey will drop in the container. Here we have the salt. I will use 1 teaspoon of salt. Some people ask me why we don't put in the milk. Usually the salt is added at the end, but today, because this one is a little bit soft, we can add when we put the curd inside the material. So we put a little bit of curd, a pinch of salt, curd, a pinch of salt, curd, a pinch of salt, until we put all the curd here, because the salt also will help the whey to drop inside the container. So see you in 10 minutes. You need to tie together the 4 corners, and after you can hang like this. Please find a place where you don't make a disaster. You know, the people that live with you will curse me. And also something or a hook or something heavy, because at least here you will have 2 kilograms, 2 kilograms is something, because there was 3 liters of milk. So you hang like this until stop droppings. So see you later. Before going to bed, I will update you. You wash your leaves, you put on a basket like this, and with another basket you press them and shape them for put inside the curd. Now we will remove it, the one inside, and put the curd. Yesterday I get it home too late, so now is morning, 7 a.m. My curd hangs like this 12 hours, so now will be perfect. We will have one big cheese and one small, or if you prefer, you can eat also like this. Let's try. Spectacular. But now the taste is not a blue cheese taste, but is normal cheese taste. So now I will cover with a leaf and we put in the fridge for 2 days. After 2 days we need to move upside down our cheese. So see you in 2 days. After 12 hours you can see that the cheese release more whey, so you need to move your cheese in another dish, and like you can notice, yes, there is whey. So now that the cheese is another dish, you can throw or keep this whey and use it for other recipe like I show also here on the channel. You should check your cheese every 12 hours for at least few days at the beginning, but don't worry, because in 48 hours your cheese will be more firm, so we can move it upside down and remove the basket. So see you in 2 days. After 3 days, 2 days usually are enough, but I was busy with l'uomo di casa about our book. We can remove from the basket, put it upside down, and with a stick, this is the one for the barbecue, we should make some holes, because the mold to grow needs some contact with the air. Made few holes, now we can store again our cheese in the fridge. I don't know if you noticed, the mold is everywhere, so let's cut it. We can start from the small one. I cut it not in the right position, so you cannot notice the mold properly, but now the big one I will cut straight where there is the mold, so you can see it. Ta-da! And here you can see it very well. Now I will cut the slices and I will test it with the homemade puccia bread with the olives. Spectacular. Spectacular. Altogether, really, really spectacular. You can taste a lot the figs leaves, but a little bit the malt from the blue cheese. So if you want a stronger cheese, maybe you need to wait other 2 weeks. But you know, if you follow the channel, that I have not so much patience. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to like it, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have tried to make it, let us know down in the comment. If you have some advice, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye. Spectacular, super creamy. Now will be perfect with homemade beer, but I already drank one beer tasting the bread, so please drink with moderation. Bye bye.